Software development. Practice questions and answers, programming concepts. Variables, loops, functions. Q1. What is the purpose of a variable in programming? A. To store data. B. To perform operations. C. To write the program. D. To debug the program. Answer. A. To store data. Q2. Which of the following is the correct syntax for a for loop in Python? A. For I in range, 10. B. For I equals 0, I, 10, I++. C. Loop I from 1 to 10. D. Repeat 10 times for I. Answer. A. For I in range, 10. Q3. What is the purpose of a function in programming? A. To store data. B. To repeat code multiple times. C. To perform a specific task and return a result. D. To display output. Answer. C. To perform a specific task and return a result. Languages: Python, JavaScript, Basic Bash. Q4. In Python, which operator is used for division? A. B. O. C. %E. Answer. B. Q5. Which of the following is the correct way to declare a variable in JavaScript? A. var x o 10. B. let 10 o x. C. x o var 10. D. integer x o 10. Answer. A. var x o 10. Q6. In Bash, what does the echo command do? A. Executes a command. B. Displays a message to the console. C. Creates a new file. D. Deletes a file. Answer. B. Displays a message to the console, version control with git q7. What command is used to create a new Git repository? A. Git init. B. Git start. C. Git create. D. Git clone. Answer. A. Git init. Q8. How do you add all changes in the working directory to the staging area in Git? A. Git add. B. Git commit. A. C. Git push all. D. Git track all. Answer. A. Git add. SDLC and Agile DevOps practices. Q. What does SDLC stand for? A. Software Development Language Code. B. Software Deployment and Lifecycle Control. C. Software Development Lifecycle. D. Software Design Lifecycle. Answer. C. Software Development Lifecycle. Q10. In Agile methodology, what is the main goal of a sprint? A. To complete all tasks for the project. B. To produce a potentially shippable product. Increment. C. To plan for future iterations. D. To perform quality assurance testing. Answer. B. To produce a potentially shippable product. Increment. API usage and testing. Q11. What does API stand for? A. Application Program Interface. B. Automated Processing Integration. C. Application Protocol Interface. D. Automated Program Interface. Answer. A. Application Program Interface. Q12. Which tool is commonly used to test APIs? A. Postman. B. GitHub. C. Eclipse. D. Docker. Answer. A. Postman debugging and error handling. Q13. What is the purpose of a debugger in programming? A. To compile code. B. To handle exception. C. To analyze and fix errors in the code. D. To deploy code to production. Answer. C. To analyze and fix errors in the code. Q14. What is the function of a try-except block in Python? A. To define a loop. B. To handle errors gracefully. C. To perform arithmetic operations. D. To iterate over collections. Answer. B. To handle errors gracefully.